Okay. Did I like Kolaveri tea? I loved it. I loved it. See, I'm a South Indian, right? I mean, not a South Indian, but I've lived in South India for 14 years. So, I love that song. White to white, moon white, girl heart to black. Huh?
Girl skin white to white.
Heart to black. Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri tea. Superb song. What energy, superb. My advice to girls to be confident, Anish Chak. Be yourself. Please be yourself. Don't follow me, don't follow anybody else, no one else. Just be yourself because you're special in your own way. Try to find out, tap into your own unique qualities and just be yourself. Don't follow anybody's anything, I'd say. You can take inspiration from everyone, but why do you want to be a clone of someone else? So just completely be yourself and be confident the way you are, however you may be, fat, thin, tall, long hair, short hair, however you may be, just be confident about yourself. I mean, instead of trying to do stuff to yourself, you need to kind of get confident and be more comfortable in your skin. Okay, guys, I'm here for 5 more minutes and I'm going to pick up some questions. Which have people who logged on and entered the Facebook contest. So we have 4 winners here and I'm going to announce them and answer their questions. So the first one is Veronica George. Am I brand conscious or can I shop from a roadside bazaar? Totally, completely. Please go shop from a roadside bazaar. I bought this t-shirt that I'm wearing right now from Camden Town Market, like the market, like the streets of Camden Town. So please, I make my mom go to Sarojini Market in Delhi and I make her buy clothes and I wear those clothes today also. So absolutely, I mean fashion is just about expressing your personality and extending your personality. You should wear what you're comfortable wearing and I don't think you need money to look good. Just if you have a great dressing sense, you can make anything work and it doesn't have to be priced high. So please completely go wild doing roadside shopping. I love it. Second question, Raya Al Ansari. What do I do in my free time? I read, I watch films, I spend time with my friends and mostly I try and catch up on sleep. Okay, next question. Saif Sheikh, I've heard that you enter every contest where I'm involved. I've been told. So thank you. And I'm going to read out a question now. Tell us something your fans don't know. What my fans don't know. I'm very awkward in a crowded place. Stop looking at me, everybody. So now everybody's staring at me, so I'm feeling awkward. I can't deal with like too much attention. I get uncomfortable. Karamjeet Singh. Which actor would you like to work with? I think so far in my life I've had the good fortune of working with some really good actors in spite of not having a list. I actually just want to work with good directors and I'm very lucky so far that I've got to do that, and in the future I'm going to work with Vishal Bhardwaj and Yash Chopra. So I actually like to work with good directors, and I'm very fortunate that so far I've been able to work with good actors as well, and I hope it continues in the future too. So these are the 4 questions.
Yeah.
And
take part in contests and you can win merchandise.
if you take part
Facebook contest.
on the Facebook contest, stop prompting me, I know. If you take part in the Facebook contest, then you can win these cool bags. It's actually quite nice. It's got 2 pockets. I'm feeling like my character Shida Desai. It's got 2 pockets, so you can place like all your tiffin box or maybe your stationery if you don't go to school in that one, and you can keep your books, or you can also keep your laptop over here and your charger, etc. In the front pocket. It's really light. It's black and red. You can go with anything, yeah, it's you can I think it looks different and it also promotes my film, so I think it's a great purchase. And then there's also this really cool sling bag. You know, if you are an AD or you're someone else who's always on the go, if you're that sort of a profession, it's a really cool sling bag. You can just sling it around like that. Feels quite nice. And just keep your essentials in it, basics. Girls, lip balm, mascara, phone, one scrunchie, one hairband, etc. Boys, I don't know what boys keep, so just keep your stuff in there. Okay. You can also win this really cool t-shirt. You can also win this really cool t-shirt.
Yes, fine.
This guy keeps. What is your problem? Let me talk. Okay, you can also win this really cool t-shirt. Beware of Vicky Bell. It comes in medium, small and large. This is a large, which seems like a medium. So if you're a large, you should probably ask for an extra large. Yeah, okay. And you can also win an autographed CD, autographed by Ranveer and me. Guys, the most important thing, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell releases on 9 December 2011, UAE, 8 December. Please go watch it. It's a very, very, very entertaining film. A lot of fun, fast-paced, gripping, engaging. I can assure you will have a great time watching this movie. So please go watch it, and if you like it, let me know. Next time I'm doing something like that, or if you don't like it, also you can let me know. I hope you like it though. Thank you.